Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can update the software of TOZO T20. So the first thing that you need to do is simply connect them through Bluetooth. So open Bluetooth on your smartphone or any other similar device. So go to Bluetooth settings, and of course over here you will need to pair them, these earbuds, so take them out of the case and then you should be able to pair them over here. After that, you might need to also download the app that is called TOZO, and you should install it and open it on your device. You might need to create an account, especially if you didn't do that before. So once you register your account and once you connect the TOZO earbuds on the app, then over here you need to tap on this setting, and here you have OTA update. You can click on it in order to check if there is any update. If not, you will see this information that you are using the latest firmware version. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.